Hey, all right, everybody, look. I got another box. Right, okay, what's in the box? Well, in this box is going to help me with all these vehicles by here because it's a portable air compressor and it's the AX160 air compressor by AsperX. I think that's what it says there, AsperX. I might be getting that wrong, but we'll unbox it, have a look, because it's got its own battery in it. You don't have to plug it in, you just charge it up and it should do a good few tyres on one charge. But we'll have a look at that in a minute. Right, okay, so what's it all about? What does it say on the side of the box? It says battery capacity is 20.75 watt hours, output is 5 volts, 2 amps, maximum 10 watts. It says it's got an inflation pressure range from 4 to 160 psi. That's quite high, isn't it? 160 psi is quite a high pressure to put out. Length of the hose is 500 millimeters or half a meter. Working noise is lower than 80 dB within 1 meter. Operating temperature, it says minus 20 to 60 degrees Celsius. So there we are, massive working conditions. So let's get it out of the box, have a look at it, and we'll try it out and see how quick it pumps the tyre up. And maybe we'll see how much battery it uses when we pump a few tyres up. Right, okay, with the box open, you get the user manual there. There we see, look, AsperX. We've got a bit here, let's open this bit up, have a look in there. So we've got the lead, which is separate, you can screw on and off. We've got a USB-C connector, that's for charging it up. We got some different connectors. I think some of these are for pumping up balls and things. And we got a nice little bag, look, to put it in with the name on. And then we got the unit itself there. Let's put that to one side. Let's take that off there. Nice and compact this is. This is nice and compact. And I think it's got a display there, look, and buttons across the top there. I think this is to change your PSI, turn it on. So I think it says hold the button down. Does that what turn it on? There we go. I don't know if you can see. That's the LCD is on there. It does say it's got a full battery, but I'll give it a charge anyway before I use it. But there we are, that's nice. Nice weight to it as well. That is nice. Right, okay, I don't know if you can see on here, but if you wanted to do it in manual mode, it's got to be measured in kPa and not PSI. So I've got it set to 135 kPa, which is around about 20 psi. And that's what that bike over there takes. I don't know if you can see over there, but the tyre, I've let the tyre ride down, taking the air out of it. I'll pop this on now and we'll see how quick it gets up to 20 psi or 135 kPa. Now, it should cut out when it gets to the right amount. So I'll go and pop it on and we'll turn it on. Right, okay, I got it all plugged in. I got it set up. It's on 135 kPa or 20 psi. I'll press start the stopwatch. We'll see how long it takes. I'll just press the on. You press the on button once and it should do it and then stop at the right pressure. Right, there you go. Now, you can't see from there, but let me just stop that there. That took 1 minute and 23 seconds. And when it's going up, I'll try and bring it close to you now. But when the pressure's going up, there's a little number on you, and that goes up, and it tells you exactly what's happening. I'll bring it a bit closer, and I'll show you. I don't know if you can see there. It says 000 now because I've taken it out. But as the pump is going up, this gradually goes up until it gets to 135. So it shows you what the pressure is happening as it's pumping up. Now, don't take any notice of the battery because I haven't charged it up yet. Now, there is a few other things on you. For instance, if I press that there, I don't know if you can see from over there, there's an actual light on you, and it has got a flashing function as well. Let me turn the light off. And also, you've got an input there for charging the battery, and also an output there for charging your phone. So you can actually charge your phone from the output here into your phone. So it's a power bank as well as a light and a pump. It's a power bank as well. Right, okay, got my brother there. I've just popped over to his house. He's got it there. He's going to try and do his back tyre now. We'll let him do that. Check the RNA, test his tyre pressures, because it does show up on the screen there. It'll show what pressures it is. rear tyre and if it needs pumping up or not. So he'll push that on there and we'll go from there. And I think I can see from the thing there that it's on 30 psi, the bottom one. So if he just presses that button lightly quickly, and you should be able to, it's a bit dim the old, the display is, so I'll bring the camera in closer. And you can see now we'll pump up now until it gets to 36 and it should stop. So it's on 33 at the moment now, and it shouldn't take too long. 34. Almost there. 35. And it should go off. As soon as it gets to 36, it'll stop. So here we go. There we go. It should stop any minute. There we go, and it stopped. There we are. Easy peasy as that. Right, okay, just for clarity, so you can see when the sunlight isn't on the display is quite bright. You can see it in daylight. It's just, when it's a bit dim, you can see it a little bit better. And this button here is for the presets. And there's 4 presets as you go along. So that's the first preset. Then you press that button there. That's the second preset. That's the third preset. And that's the 4th preset. And if you press it a 5th time, nothing comes up on there. And then you get the kPa. Now the kPa means you can use the range from 8 psi to 160 psi, but it is in kPa. When you go into the other modes, it only gives you a certain range in these modes. It's trying to guess the type of modes that you'd need in these certain parameters. Like a ball, you wouldn't type, I don't know what the pressure is of a basketball, but if you want to go all the way from all, you know, from 8 to 160 psi, you've got to go to kPa, and that gives you the full range. Right, there we are then. So the AsperX or AsperX, I don't know which way you say it, and it's the AX160. This pump, I've tried it now. I've pumped up quite a few tyres. I've gone around asking people if they want to pump their tyres up. So I've done my brother's, I've done my daughter's car, I've done all my bikes, I did the scooter, I did my car, and it's a fantastic piece of kit. Now I think the price is pretty good as well, so go and, there'll be a link in the description, go and look at that. I think it's on Amazon, and sometimes it's on offer as well, and it's priced pretty well for what it is. So it does exactly what it's supposed to do, and I think it's very good. It's a very, very good piece of kit. So there we go, the AsperX or AsperX 160, AX160. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ho-hoi!